How do you pronounce this word? Stipend, right? Welcome to class. This is a noun that means a particular sum of money paid to a person regularly for either cost expenses or living expenses. And it also means an income given to a clergy. Now, by clergy, I mean a leader in church. All right. So this word is not pronounced stipend. It is correctly pronounced stipend. Stipend. A stipend is usually paid to students, volunteers, or interns. Okay, it's not a regular salary, but it is a fixed amount given to people for their living expenses or their cost expenses. Have you gotten your student stipend for the month of June? Because I haven't. Hmm? So remember stipend and not stipend. No more stipend. I'll see you soon.